So here we are with Jason from Titanium Caravans. It's fantastic. It's a hardcore ATX caravan, and we've got the SavvyLevel here, and he's just showing us how this works with his airbag systems. So Jason's just pushing down in the airbag, and it's showing with Savvy how quick it is to level in east-west, north-south.
Really easy.
He's done. It's taken him, how long did that take, Jason?
It's 5 seconds, not even.
Okay, well thanks. Dad, do you ever got anything to say about the caravan, your caravan, Jason?
No, needs a wash.
Oh.
Everyone wants to come down, get their hands dirty.
All right, well thanks very much for that.
Cheers.
SavvyLevel replicates the actual movement of your caravan to you in your car on your phone. Here we can see as an example the caravan is 1.2 degrees 45 millimeters out, but we can't really see what's going on, so we need the ×10 zoom mode. This is the benefit that SavvyLevel alone has. We can now see it's exaggerated what is going on in the caravan, and we can see which wheel is actually down. It's the right wheel. So either yourself or your partner gets out and puts a ramp under the wheel that SavvyLevel shows you is down. Driver simply drives forward, watching the device that's with him or her in the car until they get to 0. Watching at the top, 0. Done. Level. It was that simple to level in the east-west. You knew straight away that your ramps would work because SavvyLevel told you that you wouldn't overrun them. But let's just have a look at the north-south now. We can see that the caravan is out 1.2 degrees. So now that we know that we're level in the east-west, it's now just a matter of winding the jockey wheel, smart device with you in hand, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, bingo, level in the north-south. Of course, there are many other features to SavvyLevel. Check out our other videos and go to our website to see what other benefits you gain from this wonderful Australian-made tech device. Happy levelling!